Stop scrolling. Your TV remote can do way more than changing channels, and nobody tells you this. In the next few seconds, you will learn real hidden TV remote tricks that actually work. First trick, most smart TV remotes have a secret restart option. If your TV feels slow, laggy, or apps are freezing, do this. Press and hold the power button on your remote for 5 to 10 seconds. Do not tap it, hold it. The TV will shut down and restart automatically. This clears temporary memory, fixes app crashes, and improves performance. Second trick, you can control your TV without a remote. Yes, even if the remote is lost. Install your TV brand's official remote app on your phone. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure both are on 2.4 GHz or both on 5 GHz. Open the app, select your TV, and you now have a full remote on your phone. Third trick, many remotes have hidden button combinations. For Samsung Smart TV, press mute 119, then enter. This opens a hidden support menu in many models. From here, technicians check signal strength and system status. Do not change random settings, only view information. Fourth trick, your remote can fix sound delay issues. Go to settings, then go to sound, then audio delay, then adjust milliseconds slowly. This helps when sound comes before or after the video. This trick works especially with soundbars and Bluetooth speakers. Fifth trick, low battery remote not responding properly. Remove the batteries. Press and hold any button for 10 seconds. This discharges leftover power. Now insert new batteries and test again. This simple reset fixes ghost presses and delayed response. Sixth trick, some remotes have a built-in pairing reset. Hold back and home together for 5 seconds. The remote will reconnect to the TV automatically. This is useful when voice control stops working. Final tip, keep your remote clean. Dust blocks infrared signals. Wipe the front sensor gently with a dry cloth once a month. These are real technician-tested tricks used every day. No fake hacks, no risky steps. If this helped you, this is Tech Vibes. Stay smart, stay updated.